Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. If you guys recall, a couple months ago I did a downfall of Becca Cosmetics video, and in that video I said, I don't want to see another highlighter, shimmer, metallic, anything shiny from Becca for at least a good year, maybe even 2. And I think Becca might have taken that a little too literal, because you guys have not heard, they have launched a new product that a lot of people are talking about because it is a foundation with no pigment. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how this turns out, because I want to see how this turns out, let's just go. So I have here the new Becca Zero No Pigment Virtual Foundation. This retails for $36 for 1 fluid ounce, and this comes in no shade. All right, Becca was like, listen, y'all want inclusive? How's this for inclusive? No one's getting shades. All right, you know how you top 60 shades? You make one shade that fits all. Yours. You just gotta make it work. That's just all you can do with it. I'm okay. So what do they say about this foundation? A makeup and skincare hybrid with a transparent matte finish that smooths skin and blurs the look of imperfections while providing lasting hydration. You notice I can't say lasting, like, is that not the whole point of a foundation? For it to give you some type of coverage, whether sheer, medium, full? Is that not the point of it? Okay, but coverage, transparent. You guys remember the last time I tried a foundation that was transparent? It was supposed to be one foundation shade fits all. If you didn't, I'll link that there. The finish is matte. Formulation is cream. It's for normal, dry, combination, oily skin. Highlighted ingredients: hyaluronic acid, hydrates skin. Ingredient call-outs: free of sulfates, SLS and SLES, parabens, mineral oil, and contains less than 1% of synthetic fragrances. This product is also vegan and cruelty-free. What else do you need to know? This virtual foundation harnesses the smoothing benefits of a foundation without pigment to let your skin shine through. Clear light blur technology made up of water-releasing powders blurs the appearance of imperfections with a matte effect. Silicone-free formula absorbs oil and provides long-lasting hydration. Okay. So let's go to the how to use section, see what it says. After skincare has fully absorbed, use the spatula to scoop out a pea-sized amount of product, then place onto fingertips, rub fingertips together, and smooth over face with circular motions. So let me go ahead and open this up. Ooh. So this is what it looks like in its packaging. Very nice packaging, very, very fancy, sturdy. It's not flimsy for $36. I can hear the spatula moving inside. Cute packaging. Okay, let me see the comment I was thinking of. When you open it up, there is the spatula. I think my press-on is bigger than the spatula. Put that down, and then lift. Oh. I don't know why I was expecting it to be more liquidy, but I usually don't like things with this texture. That's what the product looks like. All right, well, we're here. So I'm gonna put it on this side of my face, and you just pay attention to see if you notice a difference between with product, without product. So I'm sure this is bigger than a pea-sized amount. Put it on your finger. Oh, it's cold. Okay, it's cold. And then just rub into your face. Okay then, so foundation, no foundation. Do you see a difference? I threw on a wig for this. At least I didn't glue it down. At least I didn't have to glue down a wig for this. Okay, so plenty of people have called this what it is, a primer. So I'm going to use it on one side of my face as a primer, apply a pigmented foundation on top of it and see how it looks as a primer. And on the other side, I'm gonna use it how it's advertised as a foundation and put other pigmented products on top of it and see what it is looking like. So let's go. So since I already have it on here, I'm going to use this side as the primer side. This is the NYX Born To Glow foundation. So Okay, I'll give it that. Under foundation, she's cute. Okay. Well, under foundation, let's do the whole face, see her. And while that powder sits on my face, on the other side, I'm gonna use it like a foundation. So I'm gonna prime my skin. And now the foundation, ooh, come on top of it. For something that's mattifying, I don't feel very mattified. However, it does have a cooling, cold touch to it, giving, the hydration part. I'm gonna put concealer on over, okay, well. I just set my T-zone and I'm just gonna bronze both sides and just call it a day there. Just a quick little base comparison because I'm really not sure where this video is going right now. Bring my face down. Okay, so this is the Zero Pigment foundation used as primer. I've already forgotten. And this is the foundation used as foundation. I'm gonna go leave this on my face for a couple hours and then come back later and see what it looks like. It is 12:53. I will check in with you guys later. So this is my face in natural lighting. This is the foundation. This is it as a foundation. This is it as a primer. Y'all, it's only been like 10 minutes since I left my lighting set up. Look at my T-zone. Okay, I feel a drag building in my spirit. Absolutely not. We're gonna wrap it up right now because it's only 3:29 and this is what my face is looking like. It's an absolute no dog for me on this one, and I knew something was off. I keep like right away. I turned off the lights, moved away from this setup, and like 10 minutes later, I'm like, why do I feel my face, and why do I feel like I'm getting oily? Ladies, when you feel like your skin is producing oil, it's just like, what is going on? So that's why I did that check-in before, and it's only been 3 hours. Look at my face. Look at my face. This is supposed to be a mattifying product. You can't sell coverage because it's a foundation with no pigment. So your selling points right now are that it's supposed to hydrate and mattify your face. Look at my face 3 hours later. How does that work? And I don't know if you guys caught my reaction when I opened it earlier in the video, but I believe it says it doesn't have any silicone and stuff like that, even though it's a product that blurs and fills pores and stuff like that. But when you open it, it looks and feels like a silicone primer. Think Benefit Professional. Like, that's exactly how it looks and feels when you're moving. Just a little less greasy, like a little less greasy than the Benefit one. But that's how it looks and that's how it feels. So I'm actually not surprised that this is what my face looks like right now, because I hate products like that, and they hate my oily skin back, so that's why I usually stay away from them. So why would I want to put a foundation on that has that type of feel and finish and vibe to it? It's supposed to be mattifying. Here's my face 3 hours later. It's supposed to be hydrating. I can't feel any. I did mention before that it was cool, but I can't feel any type of hydration to my face because I feel like my face is producing grease. Like, that's almost the exact opposite of what hydrating is supposed to do to your skin. It literally feels like I'm pushing, extra grease out of the fry machine out of my face. Absolutely not. Becca, y'all remember what I was saying about brands that just throw everything at the wall and just go with whatever sticks? I feel like that's where we were. They saw people saying like Becca's a dying brand, what's going on with Becca? So they needed something new. They needed something catchy, something that would stick out. So hey, let's make a no pigment foundation, and it was like, okay, cool, but like once the curiosity dies down, like once people are like, no pigment, what's going on over there? How does that work? Once that dies down, what are we gonna do when they start questioning like how this works? When they start receiving the product and they start trying it on, did we get past that process? Because what is this? What is it? I mean, I was trying to come through. Like, I was trying to give y'all a chance. Like, okay, maybe not as a foundation, but let's try this as a primer, and still absolutely not. Well, again, given how its texture really feels and the type of skin type that I have, maybe that is why. So, you know, if you have oily skin, that's where I am with this. If you don't, maybe you can like it as a primer. I was trying to give it a chance as a primer. But either way, what thoughts on this product as a primer for oily skin? No, I don't see it for you. I would think like maybe I'll give you another chance as a primer at some later date when it's not hot outside. That as well too, especially since, again, no pigment, so you're selling it as a foundation that's going to mattify and hydrate your skin. This is the time of year where I need that, okay? It's hot, and the fact that it's doing the exact opposite during this time of year, and this is when you're launching it, again, I want to know the thought process behind the scenes. Maybe I would give you another chance at another time of the year when it's not hot. But for right now, it's an absolute no for me, dog, when it comes to this as a primer. And when it comes to this as foundation, I will say it was nice on the skin. I like to think I have decent skin. I certainly don't have, you know, Bella Hadid skin. I also don't have Bella Hadid money to take care of my skin that way. But that's who this is for. You know those other brands that you talk about, like Your Skin But Better, Glossier, Milk, who else? You know, those type of brands where like everything is very sheer. You need to have like no pores, no spot marks, no discoloration, no this or that, for you to feel like you're getting anything for the money that you spent on the product. Like those type of things, that takes that to a whole new level. Like literally you need fresh out of the womb baby skin for this product to use it as just foundation. And given that it's $36, just wear, I was gonna say wear your own skin, but like just go out in your own skin. At that point, just go out in your own skin. I look at the video when it started in just my skincare, and then the side of my face with just the foundation on it, and like, tell me what would be the point of you spending $36 to just wear it that way? So either way that you could wear this primer foundation, it's not, no. So that is it for this foundation. Becca, this is honestly what 2020 is in a foundation. If I had to describe 2020, the year, as a foundation, I would say Becca Zero No Pigment Foundation. That says a lot there. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I hope seeing me test this out has helped for anyone who wanted to check it out. If you have checked it out, because you know I bought it, so it's possible that you bought it as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you haven't bought it, if you're planning to, or if you were planning to, just let me know all of that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.